In any country, people spend about $31.1 billion on medication, but out of that, $8 billion is wasted on unused or expired medication. Hello everyone, we are our exchange. Exchange to save and exchange for the better. Mark Victor Hansen once said, "The only waste of human resources is letting them go unused." We believe this applies to others' resources too. Just like the example of medicines before, loads of other resources like fresh vegetables, fruits, etc. go to waste simply because we don't use them, nor do we let anyone else do so. It has resulted in the following major problems: resource wastage, time wastage, and money wastage, resulting in a chain reaction of problems like climate change due to increased load on production, widening of financial gap, etc. We truly believe that such unintentional or intentional hoarding should be stopped. That's where our application, our exchange, comes in. Our exchange is a platform where users can post items they want to share or give away to others. It is an application that is supposed to be used by a community of people living relatively near to each other. It allows users to hand in items that are either perishable, medicines, food packets, etc., or long-term use like furniture. These items would be dropped off at a community center by them, where an authorized person would tally whether the giving away of items has happened in real time or not. The tallied items are then reflected in the app, so that the other users in the community can see whether they want the items dropped off. When some users cannot find their desired item, they can put in a request anonymously, which is displayed on the home page of the app based on the urgency.
Our application opens up to a login page for registered users. For the demo, I will register as a new user. We have integrated Firebase with Java using the SLF4J API, for which user registration and login for our app. Firebase is a cloud service provided by Google which guarantees that user information is securely stored in its database and can just as easily be accessed. Now that the registration is done, we will attempt to log in. Our logging in process uses a logging facade so that we are not tied down to any particular framework. The SLF4J API, which I mentioned earlier, is an example. This will open the home page. The orange boxes visible are the items that some users require, which can be accessed or put in using the request tab. Now the support page has categories which has items we want to give away. Now if a user wants to give away extra medicines, she can click on the medicines button. That leads to the inbuilt applet that decides whether the medicines are usable or not. We just need to press a button and hover our phone over the label of any medication strip or bottle. The application automatically captures a picture, converts the image to text, and checks whether the text contains any dates. If it does, it passes it through the coded threshold which determines whether the medicines can be given or not. For our application, we have given a threshold of 1 week before expiration. This feature can also be used to give away items like supermarket packed vegetables or bread bags or virtually anything with an expiration date. This feature is important as we believe in giving away or sharing items is a noble act which shouldn't be tainted by the need to do away with expired or bad things. On that note, I, Ami Buj from Team R Exchange along with Cindy Harara, Ruchira Sharma and Vidhi Patel, thank you.